What's happening, guys? This is Jaro with Volt Life Grooming out here in beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota, and as you can see, it's a gorgeous day. We will have some natural light coming through, so I think that's cool. Rather than doing all that staging, I like this a lot better. Today I want to talk to you about a subject that I always wondered about, especially when I was growing my beard, and that is whether I should comb or brush my beard and what tools should I use. So let's get to it. As you know, brushing and combing your beard is a huge element of your daily grooming routine. It affects a lot of things. It affects your style, it affects the wellness of your beard and your skin as well by exfoliating it. So today I want to talk to you about the 3 elements that you really need to consider when looking into buying your tools and deciding between brushing and combing your beard. The number 1 and the most important factor when deciding to comb or brush your beard is the length of your beard. And obviously, if you have a really short beard, combing it is not going to do a whole lot. You won't be able to really style the hair, and on top of that, you might be damaging the skin underneath. I would definitely recommend going with medium to soft bristle brush. And with this one, you can actually accomplish quite a bit. You can style the hair in whatever direction you want to have it. You can also put product in it like beard oil and beard balm and spread it evenly. And most importantly, you can exfoliate your skin, which promotes not only healthy skin, but a healthy growth of your beard. Alright, the next factor that I consider really important when deciding to comb or brush your beard is the type of grooming routine that you're doing on a daily basis. So if you're the type of guy who is putting a lot of product in your beard, styling it a lot, trimming it a lot, then I would definitely consider having both comb and a brush. In this case, I would start with the comb in the morning when your hair is wet, with the comb that's got kind of a wide spread of the teeth, so you're not pulling the hair, to detangle it first. That would be your first combing. The next thing you would do is you would brush your hair and apply product in it using a medium to soft bristle brush. And that will allow you to get product in it, do the first styling before you go into the final step, which will be using again a comb, but this time you would be using a high density comb, which will allow you to do the final touches and styling. Now, on the other side, if you're the type of guy who doesn't really do a whole lot of styling, doesn't use a lot of products, you just want to basically comb your beard and let it go, you can just get away with the comb. I would still recommend getting a comb that would have 2 sides to it, one with a high density teeth, the other one with a low density teeth. In that case, you can use the one with the low density teeth for the initial combing in the morning when you're detangling your hair, and the one with the high density for the final styling. And also, having a comb like this with high density teeth allows you to do a nice trimming, especially when you're doing it around the mustache. You can pull the hair down and get there with a trimmer. Alright, so the final thing to look at when deciding to buy a comb or a brush is the type of your hair. So do you have a curly hair or do you have a straight hair? Is your hair thin or thick? So these are things or questions you need to ask yourself before making that decision. Now, if you have a thin hair, fragile hair, curly hair, this type of a hair is going to require very similar grooming techniques and tools. So you gotta use something that won't damage that hair, because this type of a hair is pretty fragile and brittle. So when it comes to combs, I would use a comb that is low density, so the teeth are spread apart a little bit more, and it's soft. That way you can still get into the hair, you can untangle it in the morning and then style it without damaging it. Same goes for a brush. If you decide to go with the brush, look for brushes that are more on the lower density side, that are more spread, the bristles are more spread apart, and that are soft to medium soft. And again, this will allow you to still get in without damaging the hair, and you'll be able to spread the product in your beard and style it the way you want it. Now, if you have a firm or a straight hair, you are a lucky guy, because you can pretty much use any comb and a brush that's out there. It's really up to you. In this case, I would have one recommendation to use the Volt utility brush. That's something that I use because it's kind of the hybrid brush. It's got nylon bristles in it with softball tip on it, which is really gentle on your skin, but it allows the brush to go all the way inside of your hair and style it really well inside out. It also has a medium soft real board bristles, and that works really well if you putting any sort of a product in your beard, such as beard oil, beard balm. So this type of a brush to me is the one tool that can do it all. So in short, deciding between combing and brushing your beard is totally up to you and up to what you are trying to accomplish with your beard. So take a look, or have a look at these 3 elements that I just mentioned. The length of your beard, the style of your beard, and what type of grooming routine you're engaging in, and then you can make the right decision. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave me some comments down below because I always learn from you. I also want to hear about your experience with combing and brushing your beard. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below. It only takes a second and allows us to grow this channel and provide more content for you.